Are you looking for a way to easily use Face ID for password autofill on your iPhone? This feature allows you to securely and conveniently fill in your passwords for apps and websites without having to type them manually. Let's go through the steps to set it up and get started. Solution 1. Enable password autofill with Face ID. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on Passwords. If prompted, authenticating using your Face ID or passcode. Tap on Autofill Passwords. Ensure that autofill passwords are turned on. Tap Other Apps. Make sure all the setting enables. Check out this quick setting. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, tap Face ID and Attention. Just enable Require attention for Face ID. Attention-aware features. Also enable haptic on successful authentication. If these options are already enabled, then turn these off and then turn these back again. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily use Face ID for password autofill on your iPhone, making your logins quicker and more secure. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions.